Ever wondered why your copper jewelry or utensils sometimes turn green? This isn't some random act of nature, but a fascinating phenomenon that occurs with copper items. And ever heard about the lemon trick? Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of copper and its green rust. First, we need to understand what copper is. Copper is a chemical element that is a good conductor of heat and electricity. It's one of the few metals that can occur in nature in a directly usable metallic form. Copper is malleable and ductile, meaning it can be stretched out into thin wires or hammered into thin sheets without breaking. It's also resistant to corrosion from the elements, which makes it ideal for many uses, including plumbing, electrical wiring, and coinage. But have you ever noticed how copper turns green over time? This is due to a process called oxidation. Oxidation is a chemical reaction that occurs when a substance, in this case copper, reacts with oxygen. When copper oxidizes, it forms a layer of copper oxide, which is a dull brown color. If the copper continues to be exposed to the elements, especially in a humid environment, this copper oxide layer reacts with carbon dioxide from the air to form a different compound called copper carbonate. This green layer, also known as patina, actually protects the underlying copper from further corrosion, much like how rust protects iron. It's a natural process that gives copper objects their character and charm. That green layer, just copper reacting with oxygen and forming copper carbonate, also known as green rust. Fascinating, isn't it? Our world is full of these small scientific phenomena that we often take for granted. So the next time you see a green copper roof or statue, you'll know exactly what's going on. Now that we know why copper turns green, let's talk about how to get rid of this green rust. Ever wondered how a humble lemon could play a role in restoring the shiny glory of your copper items? Well, it all boils down to the chemical reaction between the citric acid in the lemon and the copper carbonate, which is the green rust we see on copper. The citric acid in lemon is a weak organic acid. When it comes into contact with the green rust, a chemical reaction occurs. This reaction is an example of an acid-base reaction, where the acid, citric acid, reacts with the base, copper carbonate, producing water, carbon dioxide, and a salt. In this case, the salt is a compound of copper and citrate. This salt is soluble in water, so it can easily be washed away, revealing the shiny copper surface beneath. Voila! Your copper is as good as new. This lemon trick isn't just limited to copper, it works with many other metals too, making it a handy, natural, and inexpensive cleaning hack. Plus, it's a fun way to see chemistry in action right in your kitchen. Copper's green rust is not just an aesthetic issue, it's a fascinating chemical reaction that we can observe in our daily lives. Science also provides us with a solution to restore copper's original shine. Thanks to the acidic nature of lemons, they can interact with the green rust and help dissolve it, revealing the gleaming metal underneath. This everyday scenario is the fact that science is woven into the fabric of our daily lives. It's not confined to sterile laboratories or dense textbooks. Remember, science is not just in textbooks, it's all around us, even in the green rust on our copper items. Keep exploring and stay curious.